Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GuardianX. So today video is on most asked Power BI interview questions. So मैंने आपके लिए टॉप 8 क्वेश्चंस निकाले हैं with answers. This is most frequently asked questions. So इस पे आप काम कर सकते हैं. So let's start the question. Question 1. First you give a introduction. Then first question is what types of projects you have done in recent times. So this is scenario based question. So you tell interviewer about your 2-3 projects. Focus on strong projects like education, healthcare, and automotive instead of sales or churn analysis. This is the very basic projects like sales, churn analysis. Interviewer not interested in these types of projects. So you can also tell interviewer about your specific projects. So like education dashboard, you can tell education dashboard related all the information like developed an interactive Power BI dashboard to track student performance, attendance, enrollments, and faculty metrics. Implemented predictive analysis to identify at-risk students and improve retention rates. Second will be healthcare analytics. Design a data-driven reporting system to monitor hospital performance, patients' wait times, and treatment effectiveness, leading to better resource allocations and improved patient care. For example, like education and healthcare, you can add your projects आपने काम किए हो जिसे आपको बताने में कोई मुश्किल ना हो. ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स आप चूज करो और उसके बारे में आप बताओ इंटरव्यू को आपने क्या डिफिकल्टीज हैंडल की. ओके, so second questions will be have you worked on RLS? So this is the most common question asked in interviews. Answer will be yes, I have worked on row level security RLS in Power BI. I have implemented both static and dynamic RLS using roles and DAX filters to restrict data access based on user roles. So for example, in an education board, I applied RLS so that school administrators could see all data while teachers could only view data for their assigned students. In a healthcare project, I restricted patient data access based on department and user roles to ensure compliance with data privacy regulations. Interview also asked how to implement RLS, so you can tell the static RLS and dynamic RLS implementation process. Okay. Third question will be what is Power BI Data Gateway? Okay, so Power BI Data Gateway is a tool that securely connects on-premises data sources to Power BI service for data refresh and live queries. There are two types in Data Gateway. One is Power BI Personal Gateway and second is Data Management Gateway. Power BI Personal Gateway is a specific version of the Data Management Gateway designed for individual use. It allows you to install the gateway on your personal computer and connect to on-premises data sources directly from Power BI. Second will be Data Management Gateway. It acts as a bridge, enables secure data transfer between your local data and Power BI cloud service. There can be multiple users of the gateway to develop content. Okay, the fourth questions will be what is DAX? So this is the most common question in any interview. What is DAX? So DAX will be data analysis expression is a formula language used in Power BI to perform calculations and create custom measures, columns and tables. It includes functions, operators and variables to manipulate data and perform aggregations. For example, total sales is equal to sum sales amount. This calculates the total sales by summing up the amount column. So this is the about DAX. Okay, so question 5 will be difference between calculated column and measure. This is very important question also. So calculated column calculation perform row by row basis using DAX expression. This stored in the data set and increase file size. Evaluated to row by row during data refresh. Used for creating relationship or static calculations. For example, total price is equal to sales quantity column into sales unit price column. So there will be created new column. So this is the calculated column. Then second will be measure. Calculation perform on column base. So calculated on the fly and does not increase file size. Evaluated based on the filter constructs in visuals. Used for aggregations like sum, average or percentages. For example, total sales, sum sales amount, like profit margin. You can tell your experience and add your examples also. Okay, so sixth question: how is the schedule replace feature designed to work? So this is the very important question. So the schedule replace feature in Power BI is designed to automate data updates for an on-premises or cloud-based sources at predefined intervals. Users can set up for an automatic refresh over data based on daily or weekly requirement. For set schedule refresh, how to implement schedule refresh will be: go to the Power BI service, select your workspace, select your publish report, click semantic model and select setting, then click on refresh button. Here you can schedule refresh daily or weekly basis and set timing for schedule. Okay, so seventh question will be difference between star schema and complex schema. How will you know when to use which schemas respectively? So this is very important question because all the data modeling depends on star schema and snowflake schema. So star schema is a central fact table is directly connected to dimension table, and snowflake schema will be a central fact table connects to normalized dimension table which may connect to other subdimensions. Use star schema when your data is straightforward, performance is a priority, and you want to simplicity in your data model. Use snowflake schema when your data is high complexity, storage efficiency is important, and you are okay with slightly slower query performance due to more joins. So this is the answer about star schema, snowflake schema. आपको डेटा मॉडलिंग के बारे में और जानना है और स्टार स्कीमा कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, अगर वो आपको सीखना है तो मैंने इस पे एक वीडियो बनाई है डेटा मॉडलिंग के ऊपर, स्पेशली यूजिंग स्टार स्कीमा। वो आप मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसका लिंक डाल दूंगा, वो आप देख सकते हैं। वो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर डेटा मॉडलिंग। द लास्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी difference between import mode and direct query mode. So the import mode, data is imported into Power BI and stored in its memory model. Fast performance as data is preloaded, requires periodic refresh to update the data. For example, importing Excel file into Power BI. Then direct query mode, data is not stored in Power BI, queries in real time, slightly slower performance, always shows the latest data, no need for periodic refresh. Example like connecting to MySQL database to Power BI. So this is the answer about difference between import mode and direct query mode. Okay, so this is the most asked interview questions in any interview. इसके सारे क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स मैंने पीडीएफ फाइल्स में डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हैं, वो आप डाउनलोड करके आप उस पर काम कर सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो।